So here's the ingredients: flour, baking powder, salt, unsalted butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla, buttermilk. Let's start. First, we have to mix the baking powder and the salt into the flour. Now we're gonna put it aside. Now I'm gonna beat the sugar and the butter for 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna add the egg and the vanilla one at a time. Now I'm gonna add the flour, alternating with the buttermilk. Now the butter is ready. Now I'm gonna put it on the cupcake tin. The butter is ready. Now my mom's gonna help me put it in the preheat oven. Cupcakes are ready. Now I'm gonna put it in the cooling rack. The cupcakes are ready. Now I'm gonna put it in the side and we're gonna make the frosting. So here is the ingredients we need: cream cheese, powdered sugar, cold whipped cream, vanilla, First, we need to mix this heavy cream into this. Now I'm going to put the cream cheese and powdered sugar and vanilla in the bowl. Now the frosting's ready. Now I'm gonna put it in the piping bag. here's my cupcake. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!